Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kurt. Today I'm going to show you how to make the unofficial national dish of the Philippines, adobo, specifically Adobong Manok or chicken adobo. Now it shares the same name as the Spanish method of marinating, but Filipino adobo is actually a completely separate and independent method of cooking unique to the Philippines. Spanish colonizers just gave it the name adobo that everyone uses today because of superficial similarities to their method of seasoning. So thank you colonizers for that source of confusion and attempt at erasing our culture. But enough about history. To start, take a large ziploc bag, or just a stainless steel bowl if you don't have ziploc bags, and combine 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 bulb of crushed garlic, 1 onion sliced, 3 bay leaves, and 1 heaping teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Just a fun fact, as a kid I used to hate biting into these whole black peppercorns, but now I love it. So if you're like me as a kid, you can always just put them to the side of your plate later, but they do provide a lot of flavor. Then add 3 pounds of chicken pieces. I like using legs and thighs. Seal the bag, mix it around, and marinate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. This is gonna let the chicken absorb all that garlicky, soy saucy, bay leafy goodness. Then, take the chicken pieces out and pat each piece dry with paper towels. Making sure that the chicken is completely dry will help brown the meat when we sear it later on. We're also going to reserve the marinade and separate the onion, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns from the soy sauce. Then we're going to heat 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. When the oil is very hot, add the chicken pieces that have been completely dried, skin side down first, until it's browned about 5 minutes. Then turn it over and brown the other side for another 5 minutes. Remove the chicken pieces and put on a plate to rest, skin side up. Now in the same pan and oil that the chicken was just cooking in, add the onion, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns from the marinade and saute for 5 minutes till the garlic is browned and the onions have sweat down a bit. Then add the soy sauce from the marinade, scraping up any brown bits, then add the chicken back to the pan and turn the pieces to coat them with the soy sauce mixture. Then add 1/3 cup of white vinegar and allow it to boil for 5 minutes, uncovered and without stirring it. It's important not to stir it around and cook off the vinegar taste. We just want the vinegar to tenderize the meat. Then, take a small bowl, add 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir to combine till everything has dissolved. Add this mixture to the pan. Reduce the heat to the lowest level, cover with a lid, and let it simmer for about 40 minutes till the chicken is nice and tender. Take off the lid and carefully transfer the chicken to a clean plate. Turn up the heat to high, leaving the lid off, and continue boiling down the sauce for another 5 minutes till it becomes thick. When it's done, the sauce should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Return the chicken pieces to the pan and turn to coat with the sauce. Serve this over some freshly steamed jasmine rice and enjoy. Ang sarap! Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this adobong manok. For the record, you can also use pork when making this dish. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Maraming salamat!